Hi everyone, my name is Gian Rage A. Villasaran. For my report in Asian regionalism, I choose the Philippines. Good morning, ma'am. The Philippines pursues a contemporary foreign policy anchored on independence, strategic alliances, and multilateral engagement. It maintains strong defense and diplomatic ties with United States through the Mutual Defense Treaty of 1951, while also fostering cooperation with other countries like Japan, Australia, and India. A key foreign policy priority is the protection of its territorial integrity, particularly in the South China Sea, where it asserts its sovereignty based on the ruling of the Philippines versus China arbitration case in 2016. The country practices a balanced approach, maintaining economic and diplomatic engagement with China while deepening security cooperation with allies. Its active participation in international regional organizations like the United Nations and the Associations of Southeast Asian Nations, or what we call the ASEAN, reflects its commitment to peaceful cooperation and global stability. The Philippines' economic policy is centered on openness, modernizations, and integration with global economy. It, en- it encourages foreign direct investment in key sectors such as infrastructure, renewable energy, and manufacture to stimulate growth. Through programs like Build Better More, the country aims to enhance infrastructure and connectivity, making it more competitive regionally and globally. Digital transformation and sustainable development are also major priorities as this creates a more inclusive and resilient economy. Additionally, the government recognizes the significant contribution of overseas Filipino workers through remittances, which boost domestic consumptions and economic stability. The foreign and economic policies are closely linked to the broader framework of Asian regionalism, which emphasizes cooperation among Asian nations. As a founding member of ASEAN, the Philippines supports the Asian Economic Community to encourage the free flow of goods, services, and investment. Also participates in the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership or RCEP, enhancing trade relations and regional integration. Through Asian lead mechanism like the Asian Regional Forum and the country engage in collective security and maritime cooperation to address shared challenges. By aligning its policies with regional initiatives, the Philippines retains its position in Asia, contributing to econo, economic growth, security, and regional solidarity. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.